Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Coinbase account for a non-profit organization and an NPO. Alright, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Coinbase account. Now you can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you could choose to do that on the website. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the accounts tab. Once you're there, you just want to click on create wallet, and then you're going to choose the wallet type. That's it's going to be the non-profit wallet. Now once that's chosen, you can set up the wallet settings, that is the name you want to use as well as the password. And once that's done, just confirm the wallet's creation. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Coinbase account for a non-profit organization. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in